So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we upload YouTube shorts from our mobile phone. To know that, firstly go to your YouTube. After going to your YouTube, at the top right corner you can see the profile option or icon. Then click on your channel. After clicking on your channel, click on create and you can see a create a short. After clicking on create a short, you can just videograph it, or you can also select it from your gallery. And you can edit it and click on add. It will take some time. And just clicking on right. So hello guys, good evening. You can also write captions, anything you want, and visibility, and you can edit, also select audience, like it is not made for kids, and then upload shorts. And by clicking on upload shorts, you will be able to upload your shorts on YouTube by mobile phone. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.